Y'all asked for it, and here it is. Moist, fluffy, spiced Biscoff cake with a caramel cookie butter glaze. And it's got a secret ingredient that really amps up that Biscoff flavor. I bet you can guess what it is. Okay, let me show you. Okay, in a large bowl, you want to add some flour, then throw in some salt and baking soda. We're going to add a whole lot of warm spices and whisk this all around. Now, I am so late to this Biscoff game, y'all. I mean, I thought Biscoff were just like bougie graham crackers, but they're not. They are so not. I am sold, y'all. Okay, in a separate bowl, we're going to add our softened butter, a little bit of vegetable oil. We're going to dump in some brown sugar and some granulated sugar. And next comes our cookie butter, our Biscoff cookie butter. Dump that in there, and then we're gonna mix this all around. Now, there is a much easier way to mix this, and I should have done it. But I'll post it on the recipe card so you don't have to struggle the way I did. But it still came out really, really good. It's gonna look like a dough like this right here. Okay, next we're gonna add in our eggs. We're gonna add in 2 eggs. You wanna add them one at a time, and you wanna mix it really good after each egg. All right, next we're going to add in some of that good old vanilla extract. Dump that in. All right, so now we're going to alternate adding our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. So we're going to dump half of that flour mixture into our wet ingredients, stir it on up with your spatula, and then we're going to add some buttermilk, my favorite ingredient in the entire world. We're going to alternate that, add in the rest of that flour, and then for the secret ingredients, yep, some prepared coffee. It just bumps up all of those flavors in this cake, y'all. Don't skip it, okay? You gotta add it. So good. Here's how the batter look nice and fluffy and smooth. Plop that right into your prepared pan. Next, we're gonna give it a little shake to get everything nice and even. We're gonna bake it at 350 for about 45 to 50 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, a little bit less. We're gonna let it cool off just a little bit, and now you can flip it over. Make sure you say a little prayer. Don't pick on nobody that day, because it absolutely sucks when it sticks to the pan. I hate that. But this came out beautiful, so perfect. And if yours did stick, it's okay, because we're gonna add a glaze to this time. We're gonna add some butter into a large bowl. We're gonna throw in some buttermilk. Yep. We're gonna add in that cookie butter. Go ahead and mix this all around until it's creamy and combined. I think I'll start adding buttermilk to all my glazes. It's so good. Next, we're gonna mix in a little bit of powdered sugar, a little at a time, just until you get a nice, smooth texture. I'm going to add in a little bit of buttermilk just to kind of thin it out, because I want it to be thick, but I want it to be pourable. And I kind of added too much buttermilk, but yeah, it still worked just fine. Okay, so go ahead and just look at that. Oh, it's so luscious. Go ahead and pour this all over the top. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I cannot decorate a cake, okay? I can't do it. I just can't do it. You on your own right there, baby, but mama can give you a good recipe in this cake. Y'all, yes, it is the bomb diggity, okay? Look at this texture. This texture is just giving me gingerbread vibes. It's so good, you guys. And it gets even better the next day, so keep that in mind, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Later.